Hey guys, today I'm teaching you whether the Grab app is still worth using in 2025. And here's the lowdown. Grab remains incredibly convenient across Southeast Asia with ride hailing, food delivery, payments, grocery, courier, and more all in one app. And recent upgrades promise faster booking, typically 9 in 10 rides confirmed within 21 seconds. Thanks to added driver slots, advanced and group booking options, and multi-vehicle matching. But despite praise for its simplicity and broad availability, users warn about surge pricing spikes, frequent booking glitches, and unreliable support that often closes dispute tickets without resolution, plus reports of drivers adding fake toll fees or stealing items, and their customer service feels like non-existent with no live chat, unhelpful robots, and weeks-long issues over refunds or reward points. So if you value all-in-one convenience, Grab can still be worth it. But if you are care about consistency, pricing, transparency, and real support, competitors like Gojek, Bolt, InDrive, or Joyride may offer a better day-to-day experience. Like and subscribe for more Real Talk app reviews. And drop a comment if you're Team Grab, Team Gojek, or something else.